Welcome to this meditation with Peaceful Ren. Today, we're going to practice progressive muscle relaxation, a powerful technique for releasing physical tension and stress from your body. In these next 8 minutes, we'll systematically work through different muscle groups. First, creating gentle tension, and then releasing it completely. This practice helps your body remember how to let go, creating a deep state of relaxation that can carry you through the rest of your day with greater ease and peace. Find a comfortable position where you can lie down or sit with full support for your back. If you're sitting, make sure your feet are flat on the floor and your arms can rest comfortably at your sides or on your thighs. If you're lying down, let your arms rest naturally by your sides with your palms facing up. Close your eyes and take a moment to settle into your position. Let's begin with 3 deep, cleansing breaths to help you transition into this practice of release and relaxation. Breathe in slowly and deeply through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold this breath gently for just a moment. Now, exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any stress or tension you might be carrying. Breathe in again, even deeper this time, bringing fresh oxygen to every cell in your body. Pause briefly at the top of your breath, and breathe out, letting go of any worries or concerns from your day. One more deep breath in, gathering your attention and intention for this practice. Hold for a moment, and exhale completely, settling into this time of deep relaxation and release. Perfect. Allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm now. We're going to begin our progressive relaxation with your hands and arms. Make gentle fists with both hands, not too tight, just enough to create some tension in your fingers and hands. Hold this tension for 5 slow counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now release your fists completely. Let your fingers open and relax. Notice the contrast between the tension you just created and this feeling of release. Feel the relaxation flowing through your fingers, your palms, your hands. This is what we're cultivating throughout your entire body. Now, tense your arms by bending them at the elbows and drawing your fists up toward your shoulders, creating tension in your biceps and forearms. Hold this tension. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release and let your arms drop gently back to your sides. Feel the wave of relaxation moving through your arms, from your shoulders, down through your elbows, your forearms, your wrists, and into your hands. Notice how good it feels to let go. Let's move to your shoulders and neck. Gently raise your shoulders up toward your ears, creating tension in your shoulder muscles and the sides of your neck. Don't strain, just create a comfortable level of tension. Hold this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let your shoulders drop and settle back into their natural position. Feel the release, the softening, the relaxation spreading through your shoulders and neck. Notice how this area feels more open and free now. Next, we'll work with your face and head. Gently scrunch your face by closing your eyes tightly, pressing your lips together, and raising your eyebrows. Create tension throughout your entire face. Hold this expression. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, release everything. Let your face become completely soft and relaxed, your forehead smooth, your eyes gently closed, your jaw loose and comfortable, your lips slightly parted. Feel the peaceful relaxation in your face, your scalp, around your eyes. This is your natural state of calm. Now focus on your chest and back. Take a deep breath in and hold it while gently arching your back just slightly, creating mild tension in your chest and upper back muscles. Hold this position with your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale completely and let your back settle into its supported position. Feel your chest opening and relaxing, your back muscles releasing and softening. Notice how your breathing naturally flows more easily now. Let's move to your core. Gently tense your abdominal muscles by drawing them in toward your spine, not too intensely, just enough to feel the engagement. Hold this tension. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release your abdominal muscles completely. Feel them soften and relax. Notice how your breathing can flow even more freely now that your core is relaxed and at ease. Now we'll work with your legs. Extend both legs out in front of you if possible, or simply tense your thigh muscles where you are. Create tension in your thighs by tightening the large muscles at the front and back of your legs. Hold this tension. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release completely. Feel your thigh muscles softening and relaxing. If your legs are extended, you can let them settle back into a comfortable position. Notice the heaviness and warmth that comes with this deep muscle relaxation. Finally, let's work with your calves and feet. Point your toes gently away from you, creating tension in your calf muscles and the tops of your feet. Don't strain, just create enough tension to feel these muscles engaged. Hold this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release and let your feet return to a natural, comfortable position. Feel the relaxation flowing through your calves, your ankles, your feet, all the way down to your toes. Now take a moment to scan through your entire body from the top of your head down to the tips of your toes. Notice the overall feeling of relaxation and release that we've created together. Your hands and arms completely relaxed. Your shoulders and neck soft and comfortable. Your face peaceful and at ease. Your chest and back open and relaxed. Your core soft and free. Your legs heavy and relaxed. Your feet incredibly comfortable. This is your body's natural state when stress and tension have been released. Feel yourself sinking deeper into this state of profound relaxation. With each breath, allow yourself to relax even more deeply. There's nowhere you need to go, nothing you need to do. Simply rest in this beautiful state of physical peace and mental calm. Your body knows how to heal and restore itself when given this opportunity to deeply relax. Rest here for a few more moments, enjoying this feeling of complete release and tranquility. As we prepare to conclude our practice, know that you can return to this state of deep relaxation anytime you need it. Your body now remembers what this feels like, and you can access this calm by simply taking a few conscious breaths and allowing your muscles to soften. Begin to prepare for your return by taking slightly deeper breaths, gently awakening your energy. Wiggle your fingers and toes softly. Roll your shoulders gently if that feels good. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and return to the space around you, carrying this deep sense of relaxation and peace with you. Thank you for taking this time to release tension and nurture your body and mind. May this sense of calm and ease stay with you throughout your day.